Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to answer question 1A. This question came in grade 9 examination, Mathematics paper 2, 2019. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, grade 9 Mathematics paper 2, 2019, question 1A solved. Okay, so if you haven't liked our page, we invite you to like our page, and also invite your friends to like our page. If you find this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. With that being said, let's get into today's video. So the question was, divide 10010 base 2 by 110 base 2, giving your answer in base 2. So students were asked to divide 10010 by 110, and their answer should be in base 2. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use long division to divide this one. So let me draw the long division flame. Okay, so what we need to do is, now we need to identify the dividend and the divisor. So the dividend is the number that you divide by a divisor. Okay, so this is a number where another number will go into. So here in this question, our dividend is this one, 10010. So I'm going to write it here, and the divisor I'll write it here. Okay, now since I have written all the numbers in their rightful place, now we can get started with dividing. So let's say 1, this one I've underlined in yellow, divide by 110. It can't. We cannot. It would give us decimal numbers as an answer, but we want something that can give us an answer which is a whole number. So what we're going to do, we are going to combine 0 and 1 together so that it becomes 10. Okay, I can't say 10, we are in base 2, so it's 10. So 10 divided by 110, we are saying it will give us the answer which is a decimal number, which we don't want. So I'm going also again to add 0 to 10. Okay, 100 divided by 110, it can't. 100 is smaller than 110. So what we're going to do, we're going to add again this one, this one. Okay, so 1001 divided by 110, it will go one time. Okay, it will go one time. So 1 times 110, it will give us 110. Okay, then we are going to subtract that. We are going to subtract 110 from 1001. Okay, so now let's start subtracting. We always start from the right going to the left. Okay, so we start with 1 minus 0 will give us 1. Okay, 0 minus 1, it can't. 0 is smaller than 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to borrow 1 from the next number. Now, unfortunately, the next number is also 0. So we are going to borrow now 1 from the one at the far left. Okay, so we borrow 1 from there. We cancel that 1. When we borrow, it's in base 2. When we borrow in base 2, when we borrow 1 in base 2, that means we have borrowed 2. When we borrow 1 from the next number from in base 2, that means we have borrowed 2. So I'm going to write 2 on top. Okay, there will remain with 0. After I've borrowed 1, will remain with 0. Then I'll put 2 there on top there. Okay. Now remember, we are borrowing 1 for the next 0 on the right side. So we need to also to get 1 to go to the next 0. So we're going to get 1 from that 2. Okay, Okay, the one there is not clear. Let me put here there. Okay, so we have borrowed 1 there, and we have remained with 1. The one I've written in white there, in white, the one I've written in white between 0 and 2 in purple. The one I've written is the one that is remaining. Then we take the 2 on our next 0 there. Okay, now we can say 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Okay, then there we have remained with 1 in white. As you can see, the small one on top there in white, we say 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Then there on the far right, the far left, where there was 1, we are remaining with 0 in purple there. So it says 0 minus 0, it is 0. So zeros on the left side of the number, they are insignificant. They are not significant. They are insignificant. So we can, even if we don't write them, it means the same. That means we have got 1 1. Okay, if they were on the right side, we could have written them. Now, since they are on the left side, we are not going to write them because they are insignificant. Okay, so since they are insignificant, what we are going to do, we are going now to use 1 1 to divide. Now, when we try to divide 1 1 by 1 1 0, we find that 1 1 is smaller than that. It will give us a number which is a decimal. So what we are going to do, we are going to drop the 0 on the far right down. Okay, let me just put it in different color. Okay, we're going to drop that 0 with the one which is on top of the purple line. Then it will come down here. Once it has come down there, then we can try to divide 110 divide by 110 down there. So it can go one time. Okay, then we multiply 1 by 110, it will give us 110. Then we subtract that. Okay, then okay, so it says 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 it's 0. Okay, now when we get such an answer, that means we have reached the end, and there is no number we can drop on the right side of these numbers. So that means our calculation has ended. So the answer was 1 1. Therefore, we can say 10010 divided by 110 is equal to 1 1. So if you are very conversant on how to convert numbers, you can still convert 10010, which will give you 18, and 110 will give you 6. Then the answer you get 1 1 is 3. Okay, if you are very conversant on converting numbers from base 2 to base 10, you understand what I mean. If you are not conversant, you don't know how to convert numbers in base 2 into base 10, check the numbers in base 2 into base 10. Check on our videos. We have made a video on how to convert numbers in base 2 into base 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't liked our page, like our page, invite your friends to like our page, and if you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. Thank you so much. God bless you.